have to have me in the front.
Naghubo sa atubangan ni Habi. Nagano lang kami dito, nag-stop. It really sounds like rich man.
Also, bye.
Hello! Hello! Guys, magkuan kami. Mag-bicycle. Pupunta kami supermarket at saka magpunta din kami sa forest. What?
Mirror sort of rusty. And other things starting to rust.
So, are you ready? May sunshine pa. Uy, this one here. Let's go, guys. So guys, andito kami ngayon sa lake. Ang ganda dito. May boat. Bawal dito lang tayo, ha. Tiding. It's so slow.
Yeah, it's not about getting around fast. It's about enjoying.
Hey sir. Si Habi lang yung i-film ko kay naghubo sa atubangan ni Habi. Dili na sila pwede i-film. Daggoy ni Habi. So, nagano lang kami dito, nag-stop kami saglit. And then, so where else we go?
If you go and buy your sweet cake, you couldn't survive without. So,
Uy, I thought you wanna go to Olicon.
to where?
Olicon.
Olecron.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, I did, but there's no sweet bread down there. Closer.
May nagkayak doon, no? Ay, super wide man, oy. Walking tayo dito, guys. Ang ganda ng ano nila, oh, ganda ng view kasi may ano sila dito. May pavilion sila. May padiditanan po. May gwapo, oh. Hi.
Ah, yeah. It's one of the old Viking gods.
Who's
Her
one?
name.
Freya,
You know,
yeah.
from the
Yeah.
Viking movie series.
Mag-selling sila, guys. Mag-selling ang mga lamion.
take them departing.
Sige, ikaw.
Now you stick your thumb out, hitch a ride to Silkeborg.
I think you can.
This size is manageable, huh?
This one can go to the boat also. Oh, to the boat, to the beach, to the ocean.
No, no. The mast,
Yes, along.
you can take down the mast so it can pass.
But this one,
that's
it's
a lot of
allowed to
work.
go to the beach.
Huh?
This one can go to the beach.
No, it can also.
Bye-bye.
Hi, hi.
Enjoy your sailing. Lami kay sila. Lami kay glawa.
This size you can buy quite cheap, 100,000 crown or less.
Really?
Instead of 4 million.
100,000 crown is cheap. It really sounds like rich man, you know.
Well, the boat we were looking at is 40 times more. You can buy 40 boats of this one for the catamaran. We were looking at Astria.
This one, oh, maganda din siya. Ganda doon guys, oh, may padiditanan. Is your boat is coming?
That's a nice boat.
This also nice, oh.
Has some wood, you know.
Yeah.
That's quite similar to mine, this one.
Yeah. Kagaya kay Habi, oh. Yan yung boat. Sana ngayon mag-sailing, ang init. Oy, naka-porcelana pa naman ako. Kay Scott.
Not in the back, no.
Let's go. It's
No.
hot.
We go ski.
Ang init, grabe. Mga boat dyan, oh. Dito guys, may mga nanggi-picnic dito. Let's go. Is na kami.
Ready?
Ready. Uy! 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 Kapusog ba? So, nandito kami ngayon guys sa isang park. And then, na park ni Javi. Dito sila Ate Manilin noon. Nag-camping. Doon oh, may mga nagka-camping. At saka dyan may ice cream.
That's stupid. I have to have the key for closing it.
I think only coffee. Do they have ice cream? Grabe pod kamahal silang ice cream dere. Ay mura man po isa ka balde na ilang price. Ice cream.
$5.50 for one scoop.
Isa lang ka kanon. Binuhang noon yung dinner ka.
$5.50. That's
We pay
about 300 peso for one scoop ice cream for one small ball.
Kapalit naman tag isa ka
Bloody
balde.
crazy.
Kapalit naman ta nag isa ka laton dito sa tuang.
We buy in the supermarket. It's 1/4 that price.
So, bumili kami ng juice para hindi naman masyadong halata mga kuripot. Mahal, uy. Daming mga bata. My love, take the...
Washing my pants.
I told you to get some... Take some one child though and put it in your pocket. Kakit sa bata eh. May boat dito o dadaan. Hot, hot! Ay, pwede pala ditong sumakay. Ah! Sakay ka dong? Bye-bye! So, balik na kami everyone. Ewan ko kung saan pa siya pupunta. Ang daming bata, uy. As in, kung pwede palang isulod sa bulsa. So, ayan guys, nandito na kami sa supermarket. Ay, ito si nanay. Hola. Ay, wala na pala. Hindi na pala sila nagmamas ngayon dito kasi morag most of them is nabaksinan na. Like, after my
Sugar here.
wala man sila atong kung ano ay Garnier nga cleanser. Ay ka.
So beautiful, my love.
Milk ba?
Here it is. Albo Pooling. They had only buttons before. I prefer buttons.
Yeah, but that one is better because you can sell it also. Ang daming tao guys, wala tayong mask. Ay, maghanap ako ng chocolate milk. Oh, dito may ano sila, made cacao. Mahal lang tag 14 crown. Ah, there's some ice. Ay, we don't have ice.
This drink, Uleberg drink. Is that all here somewhere?
Kini na lang ako chocolate drinks.
No have
What are you looking?
Uleberg, the same we bought, just before.
This one? What is this? Hand bear. Harbor.
Sugar. Then there's some other sugar.
Apple sin my love and mango. Do they have mango? Do they have mango? Mango fruits? Ito yung mga sale nila Ang cute Nakahubo na. Losing his fans. He's losing his fans.
Here it is. They cost 1/3 of what we paid for this.
That one is 5 crown and then we pay down there 16 crown. What about? What a rebound.
The bigger one. Because you buy bigger one.
There's no bigger. It's all small. Hello. Hala, maghanap tayo ng card kasi may birthday coming at saka Mga pangit mo ilang fiber eh. Dito ako magpalit sa town. Abot sa akong sweldo. Ay na-organizer. So, alright everyone, may Julin dyan no, magbitay-bitay. So, alright guys, bahay na tayo. Nag-ano lang ako ng coffee. Ni Mister. And then mag-tea ako. Bumili kami ng sweet bread. Tapos nagbili ako ng ni Felix dry food. Kasi hindi niya gusto yung dry food niya. So, binilhan ko siya ng bago. So, hindi ako masyadong nag-film dun sa lake mga inday kasi tumindog na yung buhok ko. Parang mga saliban. So, hindi ako nag-film doon sa lake mga inday kasi ang daming naliligo. Tapos may mga nakahubad ba, mga bata. And then, baka mapagalitan ako sa kanilang inano. So, wait lang ha. So, ayan, binigyan ko si Felix ng dry food, yung binili namin na bago, kumain siya. So, dito kami sa Huy! You want plate? Talaga nga naman yung asawa natin. Kapoy ka dong? Are you tired?
It's okay.
Hi, it's nice. Oh, nilagay namin yung umbrella doon sa baba. What we gonna do with rolling? It's so many babies.
Yeah.
And then I asked to my husband, can you pick up one and then put it in your pocket?
My pockets are not that big.
And then guys, if it's allowed to film, you can see what is the Danish child look like. It's maybe there's 2 or 3 child there that it's black hair.
Children.
Children. May mga bata doon na mga siguro 3 or 4 lang na itim yung buhok. Mostly they have what you call this? They had a brown hair. And the eyes is really like blue, like Felix eyes. Javi's eyes. Saon man. Igo na lang tas tanaw. Tanaw na lang mo niyo? Hanggang tingin na lang ako. Ang init, ang init ng panahon, ang init ng kape. Ay, tea. Ayan. Hi, tapos na kaming mag-coffee. Kukunin ko lang yung cover ng tawag dito. Yung sa beach foam ba? Sa kama. Hapon na. Ay, ambot. Stress ko ani kay wa gitarong og labas sa machine. Ay, mga pako diri Pako mo diha. Laki ng roses Putulin ko sana yung mga patay kasi lang ayaw ni Habi. Kasi kunti na lang daw yung natira. Puputulin ko pa daw. So, Punta na tayo sa loob, oy. So, anyway mga inday, I think I'm gonna end the vlog now kasi maglilinis ako dito sa kusina. Salang ako sa mga i-dishwashing. So, I think that's it for today and hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa ating bicycle no, ngayong araw na to. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. See you for next one. Goodbye guys. Ingat kayo lagi.